Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? What's going on this time? As you can see here, my friend, Axie Infinity will get a very good profit in last 24 hours, 1.9 to 1%. The price will pump up. So I think it's not a temporary pump. Absolutely, it is permanent pump because everybody knows this. To Axie Infinity will make one permanent point. So they will never fail us down from that. So therefore, I hope, as you can see, the price will pumps up in last 24 hours, just only from 180 from 118 USD dollar to 122. 122. Wow, what a huge jump, my friend. I hope they will hit the highest target, as you can see here, 123, and this is possible if they will just and only get, my friends, 2% profit, and just only, my friend, in a few days, my friend. So please, holders, try to understand 150. This is the our target, my friends. They will already hit this target, and if we check out, my friend, it's only the last 7 days chart. As you can see here, 137, and if we check out this and only the last 1 month chart, 154, my friend. You can see here 154 USD dollar. They will already hit now in last 1 month. So therefore, I hope they will easily hit now again this target. But for that, we will need, my friends, to hold down. If we are starting selling, so of course, my friends, we were very badly faced down. But if we are just only hold down, so I hope I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, to there is a chance to Axie Infinity will give us a very good profit. So hope you understand. Please like a video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent update videos.